In this lesson, let's take a look at some resources that I can provide for you that help you with choosing colors that you want to use on your website. First of all, I have a few resources that I like. The first three that are listed here are great ones for finding color charts for on the web. And the final one at the bottom is an Adobe product called Kuler. And you can find it on the web under kuler.adobe.com. In addition, some of the Adobe applications actually have an extension inside them that allows you to get to a miniature version of this right within the program. So two that you might be using for web would be Illustrator and Photoshop, and they both have Kuler extensions within them. So let's explore Kuler a little bit so I can tell you a little bit about it. First of all, the website is kuler.adobe.com, and this is what the home page looks like. So there is a place up here where you can actually sign in. You can also register up here if you want. There's a section over here that has some different links. So what Kuler is it's groups of 5 colors that Adobe community users have put together and rated so you can actually use them in case you don't want to have to come up with your own colors. It's a time saver, and it's also good for people who are not all that color savvy, who maybe want to just use other combinations other people have come up with instead of trying to mix their own shades. The first thing you want to do is sign in with your free Adobe ID. If you don't have an Adobe ID, you really should have one. It allows you to post to forums and download cool things from Adobe's website, and it allows you to participate here in the Kuler community. So once you've logged in, and by the way, if you don't have a login, you can click here on the register button and sign up for free. Once you've logged in, you have access to a number of different features. The search field on the left-hand side allows you to search for a particular theme like ocean or autumn or Valentine's Day, whatever you're looking for. And then when people create these combinations of 5 colors, they add tags to them. So this particular set right here, for example, might be known for autumn. I can see that it's called Honey Pot, and these are the tags that are associated with it. Bee, bottle, brand, clay, hive, honey. Those are all tags that the person who created this set added so that other people would be able to find it. So if you searched for honey or brand or sweet, this one would come up in the list. So here I clicked on the left-hand side on highest rating, and it showed me the ones that were rated the highest by the Adobe community. Honey Pot is actually one of the higher rated ones because those colors are very well liked by other users. Once you've chosen a set of colors that you particularly like, there are 3 buttons over here on the side. The middle one allows you to download it as what we call an Adobe Exchange file. It has an ASE extension, and you can import it into a number of different Adobe applications, including Illustrator and Photoshop, and you can use the colors then as your very own. So this is a quick introduction to Adobe's fabulous color product called Kuler. You can explore it on the web, or as I said, in some of the Adobe applications like Photoshop and Illustrator, there's an extension you can find under the window menu that you can use to work with Kuler directly within the application. It's a great time saver for choosing colors that are complementary to use within your website.